Hey guys, welcome to MKamTech. Let's unbox this GoPro Hero 7 Black together. This is GoPro Hero 7 Black special bundle. This is the new box and this is how it looks like when the camera is in the box. Okay, so let's talk about what's written on the box. So on the front side you can see it can take 12 megapixel photos, and it's also capable of recording 4K 60 frames per second. It can also record underwater 10-meter deep or 33 feet, and it's also capable of doing live streaming. And the key feature is Hypersmooth Stabilization, so that's something to look for. And on this side you can see, because this is special bundle, it includes some additional accessories which does not come in a normal box. So this one has got a tripod, mini, and additional battery and 32 gig of SD card. And it is also showing here some additional information about the features. So you can see again, it takes 12 megapixel pictures. It can record 4K 60. And it can do recording underwater. It's got voice control, slow motion 8 times. It's got touch screen, GPS, HDR, and again 2 key features: live streaming and hypersmooth. On the back here you can see, so this is talking about the GoPro app. So you can download its app and do some configuration for this camera. It's also available for Apple and Android. Over this side, so this is in a standard box, you will get these items. So it's got camera, the camera mount, it's got thumb screw, and these are adhesive, so straight and curved. And this is the battery and USB-C cable, and we'll talk about once we open the box. So let's go for it. Just gonna open this up. So once you have the seal removed, let's open this. Okay, so it's just the empty box now. So you get some pictures how to remove the camera from the mount, some notes, some information. You can see different questions, the logos, and the informational stuff. So let's see what have we got in the box. So as we said, this is a additional this is a special bundle, so you can see this is the SD card. So curved adhesive mount and a battery, and you should have an additional battery. So this is one battery for the camera, and then because it's a special bundle, it comes with an additional battery. Very useful because this camera recording does not last long. I think up to an hour it can record with one battery. Okay, so this is the USB-C cable, pretty standard, used for charging. And the last bit we have here is the tripod. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, just open up like this. Okay, and then becomes your little tripod. And you can see the camera is attached to the box. So what you need to do is you just need to pull this up and just squeeze these lids from here, push it back, it just comes out of the box just like that. And for this thumb screw, just unscrew this. There's a bit to remove, so this is just for protecting the camera from not moving. So we don't really need that, so you can just throw this away. Okay, so you can screw it back. So now this can actually mount to any mounting kit which has got a similar, you know, mounting. And okay, so you can unscrew it if you want to, and you can see this camera has got a cover on top. So this is what you get once the GoPro Hero 7 special bundle box is open, and you get 2 batteries, 1 SD card, 32 gig. You got the mounting buckle, thumb screw, you got USB-C cable, adhesive for mounting, you got camera, and there is a mounting on the camera, so you call it mounting frame. You got flat adhesive, and that's your tripod mini, some stickers and information, and that's the box. So let's open this mounting frame. So you just on the top here, just kind of pull it. Needs some force, but yeah, easy to remove. So you just do this, pull the camera out from the frame, just push it back. Okay, and it should come out like this. Let's put this camera into the mounting frame and attach it to the tripod. So here's how we do it. Let's open this frame just like this. Just pull it up. Should come up like that. Just open it. Okay, take the camera. Should just go slide in. Okay, just like that. Okay, let's close the door from the top, just pull it down, and should just clip in. Okay, so that's your camera in the mount. So now this tripod, let's unscrew this. Okay, take your camera, should just go in from this side. Use the thumb screw and just screw in. Okay. Okay, so now once it's all screwed in, you can now either use it as your handheld camera or just pull it up. Either use it like that or just open this up, and that now becomes simple tripod. This recording is with 4K 60. Hypersmooth stabilization is turned off. I'm going to run. Let's see what's the performance. This recording is with 4K 60 with Hypersmooth stabilization turned on. I'm going to run and let's see the performance. This is without the Hypersmooth Stabilization turned on. This is 4K 60 with Hypersmooth Stabilization turned on. I think GoPro Hero 7 Black is still the best camera out there in the market. It has got a number of features, but my favorite is its Hypersmooth Stabilization. However, the downside is the battery life is not great. It could be better. It's just over an hour of continuous recording. If you are out and about, then you might want to carry an extra battery. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification as there is more coming up. If you have any questions, then comment below and I'll try to answer them. If you have enjoyed the video or if it was useful to you, then please hit the like button and I'll see you in the next one.